Rupees 2,637 crore is lying unclaimed. Whose money is this? Is it yours? Maybe. Hello and welcome to Boss Wala English. I am Tanisha Sharma and today we are talking about a massive 2,637 crore rupees that is lying unclaimed under an inactive mutual fund account. There's a possibility that this money could be yours. Maybe your grandfather, your grandmother, your mother, father, or any relative would have invested money in mutual funds long back and they might have forgotten, but the money is still there. But how are you gonna find out? Well, don't worry, because SEBI has launched a scheme called Mitra to trace these inactive mutual fund accounts. Now, you can trace your or your family's lost mutual fund accounts and you can claim the money. So please share this information widely so that people who have invested their hard-earned money and lost the mutual fund accounts can get back their money. Many people invest in mutual funds and after some time they stop investing and then later they forget about their investments. There's a possibility that your grandfather, your father, your uncle might have invested money in mutual funds without your family knowing about it. And possibly they would have forgotten about it. So now it is possible to find those forgotten mutual fund accounts. Imagine this. Your grandfather invested money in mutual funds long back, but no one in your family knows about the status of that investment. Or perhaps few years ago you invested money in mutual funds, but you don't know where that money lies. Also, there's a possibility that in the era of paper-based documents, someone in your family might have invested money in mutual funds, but now you don't know what happened to it. According to Association of Mutual Funds in India, a total of 2,637 crore rupees is lying inactive due to various reasons and no one is there to claim it. To ensure that this money reaches to the rightful owners and right heirs, SEBI has introduced the Mitra portal. Through this online service, you can locate your old mutual fund investments and claim the money. Now let's talk about what is SEBI's Mitra scheme. So SEBI has developed an online platform called Mitra, Mutual Fund Investment Tracing and Retrieval Assistant, to assist in locating forgotten, inactive or unclaimed mutual fund investment accounts. Mitra provides the details of inactive mutual fund accounts held by mutual fund companies or mutual fund registrars. If there have been no mutual fund purchase or transaction for the past 10 years, that account is considered to be inactive. Mitra not only helps to find out the inactive or lost mutual fund accounts, but also helps update the customer's KYC information. But why is this Mitra portal necessary? So before 2006, mutual fund investments were not digitized and the investment records were paper based. Gradually, mutual fund investments underwent digitization. They were digitalized. Asset management companies started distributing mutual funds digitally. However, even after the technological adoption, many customers have not digitized mutual fund investments and KYC. As a result, many people still struggle to trace their mutual fund investments. The Mitra portal traces such issues and helps trace details of unclaimed mutual fund investments. Now the most important part. How can you locate your old investments through Mitra? To locate your or your family's inactive mutual fund account, follow these steps. First, log in to the mutual fund central website. Second, click on the new Mitra hyperlink. Third, you have to enter your PAN card number. Fourth, enter your mobile number or your email address. Fifth, enter the received OTP to open the Mitra portal. Sixth, fill in all the necessary details like investor name, PAN card and address. Seventh, after entering all the details, search for mutual funds. Eighth, if a mutual fund on your name or your family's name is found, further provide the supportive documents. Ninth, visit a mutual fund office, a KFIN office or a CAMS office with the required documents. And 10th, after the documents verification, the amount due from your or your family's investments would be released to you. And that's it. This is how you can find out whether you have your old lost mutual fund accounts or not. So please share this video with your friends, family, relatives and acquaintances so that anyone who has invested their hard-earned money and forgotten about it will find out and will get all their due money. This video might help someone find out about their old mutual fund investments. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Bosswala English. Thank you so much for watching.
Bosswala. Be the boss.